Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, holds a significant position in India's defense electronics sector. Established in 1954 under the Ministry of Defense, BEL has evolved into a premier organization, with the government being the majority shareholder, owning 51.14% of its shares. BEL specializes in manufacturing electronic equipment for India's defense sector, supplying radar, communication, and electronic warfare systems to the Indian Armed Forces. With 9 manufacturing units strategically located across India and 2 research units, BEL is a key contributor to India's defense capabilities. The Bangalore and Ghaziabad units play pivotal roles in generating revenue and profits for the company. BEL operates in 2 main segments, defense and non-defense markets. In the defense segment, BEL produces a wide range of electronics, including radar systems, weapon systems, and communication equipment. The non-defense segment focuses on civilian markets such as homeland security and smart city initiatives, with expertise in medical electronics and solutions. In terms of revenue, BEL generates approximately 90% from the defense sector and 9.3% from non-defense segments. Export sales account for 2.3% of overall revenue. As of January 30, the company's order book stands at 76,000 crore rupees, with significant orders from various sectors including IT infrastructure, missile systems, and government projects. BEL recorded a growth of 15.22% in FY 2022-23, with a turnover of 17,333 crore rupees. Export sales increased by approximately 45%, contributing to the company's strong financial performance. The profit after tax grew by 28% to 3,007 crore rupees during the same period. BEL aims to diversify its revenue sources and increase its global presence, targeting 30% of total turnover from non-defense sectors. The company forecasts a growth of 15 to 17% in FY 2023-24, with plans to secure orders worth 50,000 crore Indian rupees in the next 2 years. Additionally, BEL plans to invest in cybersecurity and technological advancements to address emerging challenges in the digital landscape. Bharat Electronics Limited continues to play a crucial role in India's defense electronics sector, with a strong focus on growth, diversification, and innovation. With a robust order book, stellar financial performance, and strategic vision for the future, BEL remains a key player in India's evolving defense landscape. Let us know your thoughts in comment below. If you are holding BEL shares or planning to buy, was it worth buying? Thanks for watching.